myself. My name is Titin Wartini. I come from Sumedang, West Java of Indonesia. I am 29 years old. I am Muslim. I am married. My last education junior high school. I have 3 children. I have experience work in Jakarta 2 years. My job are cleaning the house, cooking, and take care elderly. I can cook Indonesia food, for example, vegetable soup, fried chicken, chicken soup. I want go to Singapore because I need more money. My for family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore.